Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design. Designing a small living room with IKEA furniture can be a rewarding and creative endeavor, allowing homeowners to maximize space, functionality, and style without compromising on comfort. With a thoughtful approach and clever use of IKEA's versatile furniture and storage solutions, a small living room can become a cozy and inviting retreat for relaxation and entertainment. One of the key considerations when designing a small IKEA living room is to prioritize space-saving solutions. IKEA offers a wide range of furniture designed specifically for small spaces, such as compact sofas, armchairs, and coffee tables that fit seamlessly into limited areas. Wall-mounted shelves and floating cabinets create additional storage without taking up valuable floor space. Incorporating multi-purpose furniture is another effective strategy for optimizing a small living room. IKEA's sofa beds and daybeds, for instance, provide both seating and a comfortable sleeping solution for guests. Nesting tables or stackable stools can be easily tucked away when not in use, freeing up space for movement and other activities. IKEA's modular furniture systems, like the popular Kallax or Besta series, offer customizable storage solutions that can be adapted to fit the dimensions of a small living room. These units can be configured to accommodate media equipment, books, or decorative items while keeping the area organized and clutter-free. Maximizing natural light is essential for enhancing the perceived spaciousness of a small living room. Choosing light-colored furniture and decor, like IKEA's white or neutral-toned options, can help reflect light and create a brighter and more open atmosphere. Using mirrors strategically can also amplify the sense of space and bring more light into the room. To add personality and style to a small IKEA living room, homeowners can introduce pops of color and patterns through textiles, throw pillows, and area rugs. Mixing and matching different textures and materials can create visual interest without overwhelming the space. IKEA's wide range of affordable accessories, such as wall art, lamps, and decorative items, can add the finishing touches to the living room. Homeowners can choose pieces that align with their personal taste and complement the overall design theme. Finally, organizing and decluttering regularly is crucial in a small living room. Keeping surfaces clear and only displaying essential decor items can prevent the space from feeling cramped and chaotic. In conclusion, designing a small living room with IKEA furniture offers endless possibilities for creating a functional and stylish space. By choosing space-saving furniture, multi-purpose pieces, and clever storage solutions, homeowners can transform their small living room into a comfortable and aesthetically pleasing oasis that maximizes every inch of available space. IKEA's extensive range of furniture and accessories provides an array of options to suit various design styles, making it an excellent resource for creating a small living room that feels open, inviting, and uniquely personal. In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!